Hi, I'm Samara. In this video, I'll show you how to... Oh, geez, let's try that again. Hi, I'm Samara. In this video, I'll show you how to do this walk-through move. The breakdown of this move is the hoop moving from one side of the body to the other while skipping or walking one leg at a time. I'll first start holding the outside of the hoop with my right hand, thumb pointing up. I then lift the hoop and my right leg at the same time and step my right leg and torso through the hoop. When the hoop is in between my legs, like this, I grab the bottom of the hoop with my left hand and lift my left leg as I move the hoop over my torso and hand and grab the hoop with my right hand. The same leg lifts up as the hand that is holding the hoop. The hoop is passed from the left to the right by going over the torso and the head, hence the duck through the hoop. The leg lift, skip, or jumps are really just for effect. The hoop is just traveling from one side of your body to the other. To enter this move from your left, hold the hoop in your left hand and lift your left leg to step through the hoop. Once in this position, the motions are exactly the same as before. Passing the hoop from one side to the other by moving the hoop up and over the torso and the head. The hops with the legs are just for added flair. And that's the move. Here are 3 transitions for the walkthrough. The first is walkthrough to a seat roll. The second is walkthrough to a behind the back mandala. The third is a forward weave into a walkthrough. And that's all I have. Hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my beginner hula hoop playlist for more. Bye!